Hey guys, this is just an experimental video. I want to show you what happens when you run our for loop. Now you remember we designed a for loop which deletes all the pods, right? So now I'm not removing any of the your replica set. So all I'm doing is like I'm removing all the pods which is seeing. So now you see that I'm executing this, started deleting the pods, and you can see this activity will go on a loop because every time it deletes a pod, a replica set will create a new pod, and it goes and deletes that pod, and then replica set immediately spins up. So the deletion is much slower than creation. So which means that by the time it completes the deletion of the first pod, it would have already created the other pod and started running it. That's what happened over here. You see that the other pod is getting terminated, and you can see another one is getting created already. And I'm pretty sure that it will start running as well. Because deletion will take a little bit of extra time because it needs to remove two containers within the pod. So when you run the for loop in this situation, this is not going to end well for you because it's going to take a lot of resources in terms of deleting and recreating that. So you can just do a Control C over here, press Control C continuously so that it will terminate everything. Okay, and then basically the replica set will recreate all those things which is just terminated. Okay, so that's pretty much, you should understand this while executing this for loop. Instead of executing this for loop, you have to first remove all the replicas which you have before you go ahead and do that. So for you, I've designed you one more item over here, which removes replica set, which is another for loop over here, which actually removes the replica set directly. So you can see that the replica set is removed. By default, when you remove the replica set without any option, it's going to remove the pods as well. So you don't have to really give the option wherein which you tell like to to remove that in the background or something like that. So that's basically some kind of option I've told you earlier about that. It exists, but then it's not mandatory that you should use it. Only in case if you don't want your pods to be removed, you have to give -" cascade is false. Other than that, you can basically just use this command for loop and remove all your replica set, and then you can see everything is gone from your system. All the pods have been released or removed from your worker nodes, and both worker nodes have been gone. Again, thank you so much for watching this video. My intention is all about making your life easy. I'm giving you all the commands which you need. I'm giving you all the documents which you need. I'm giving you all the scripts which you can run and faster your process. Do remember to rate me on my training. It's very important for me to get things going because your rating means a lot. I would want to improve on my trainings and leave your questions on your question section. Thank you so much for watching this video with patience. I'll see you on the next one.